To start, remove the two lock clips located underneath the main fascia. These can be removed by applying pressure on the outside of the heads. Once the clips have been removed, pull the fascia gently away from the dashboard. When the trim has been removed, begin to undo the two screws located at the bottom of the main head unit. Use a panel removal tool to pry the top cover out of the dashboard. At the very top of the main head unit is a clip which will need to be pressed down from the top. Whilst holding the clip down, slowly but surely ease the main head unit out of place. Once free, disconnect all of the wiring. Now grab your CT23BM13 fascia panel and insert the hazard switch into the following slot. Take the trim that comes with your kit and slot it into the fascia so that it matches up seamlessly. Once the trim is in, proceed to mount your head unit. Now that it's in position, bring the brackets in and when lined up correctly, screw them into place. When the alignment looks correct, begin to screw the brackets to the fascia by using the two long screws found within the kit. Grab the fascia clip and begin to place it into the following grooves. Push until a click is heard. It is only then that you will need to screw the clip into place. Take the CTS-BM10.2 adapter and attach it to both the head unit's mini ISO connector and to the Connect2 interface. Attach your Connect2 patch lead to the head unit's steering wheel remote. Moving on, attach all of the necessary flying wires from the CTS-BM10.2 to the head unit. The yellow 12V wire on the CTS-BM10.2 needs to be attached to a source of 12 volts from the battery feed. When all of the wiring is correct, attach all of the necessary wiring to the fascia panel. Then, proceed to stow the wiring and the head unit away. Screw the fascia into place using the pre-existing screws. When this is done, take your new fascia trim and place it over the face of the head unit. This will then complete the installation. With the CTK BM22 kit installed, you can now alter the station and volume of your new head unit by using the steering wheel controls.